Can you read the question?
So can I?
Okay.
The tent is the shape of a cone on the top of the cylinder, as shown in the diagram. The base of the tent is a circle of radius 6 meter, and the height of the tent at its edge is 3 meter. Find the length.
Okay.
Find the length of the salient edge x of the conical part of the tent correct to the two decimal places. Find the volume of the air in the tent.
Okay. So let's look at the question. What it is saying. वो कह रहा है कि we have to find the volume. That is one of the goals, and one of the goals is slant edge. Okay. What they've given us is the radius and the height at the tent at its edge is 3 meters. Okay. So what it's saying is okay, we have this cone, we have this circle, okay, and they want, okay, the base of the tent and the circle is 6 centimeter radius यहाँ से यहाँ तक, right? So what they want is the slant height. अच्छा, can we say that the height of this cone is 4 meters? Yes.
Yes.
And the radius is how much? 6 meters.
6.
Can we see that this is a right angled triangle,
Yes.
right? तो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल के मैं हाइपोटेन्यूज कैसे निकालते हैं? There was a specific theorem that I taught you. What is that theorem called?
We are gonna find Pythagoras theorem.
Yes. So how will we use that? You have one length which is 6 meters and you have one length which is 4 meters. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम पाइथागोरस थ्योरम का फॉर्मूला क्या था?
A square plus B square is equals to C square.
Yes. Now give me the value for x.
'Sir, it's 7.2.
7.2. You get 4 square plus 6 square whole under root, which gives you 50, right? under root
Sir, I got
52.
52.
Under root 52, yes. Same. So this is what you get for x, which is 7.2, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Two decimal places it says. So two decimal places के लिए क्या वैल्यू आएगी? 7.21. That's the value you use. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now what we have is the volume of air in the tank. अब volume of air के लिए now that you have इसमें तो issue नहीं होना चाहिए. You've got the cone. Cone का radius है. What is the formula for cone का volume? For any pyramid or cone, what is the value for volume?
1 by 3 pi r square h.
1 by 3 pi r square h. ठीक है. So 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square is basically area of circle, which is the area of base. सही है. So यहाँ पे pi r square. So this is your volume for cone. And what is the volume of a cylinder?
Pi r square h.
Pi r square h. So can you give me the volume? दोनों का ऐड करके.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Are we gonna equal this the volume of cone and the volume of cylinder?
ऐड हो जाएंगे. ऐड हो जाएंगे, right?
Okay, sir. After
The
adding
height,
it's like
the height
1000
for
10.
the height for cylinder is different than the height of cone. Have you checked that?
Sir, I added the volumes.
ऐड तो किया आपने वॉल्यूम, लेकिन उसके अंदर एच दोनों का डिफरेंट है। वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन के अंदर एच इज 4 एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर के अंदर एच इज 3।
So I got 490.2.
यस, 490.1 आएगा। ओके, 490 approximately, right? 490.1 or 490. Okay, so let's look at this question now. Now that you know how to do this, can you try to do this on your own? It's saying surface area. Okay, okay. So I'll give you a hint. इसका sphere का जो radius है, it is 6 centimeters. यहाँ पे इस सिलेंडर का रेडियस जो है, it is also 6 centimeters, and इस कोन का is also 6 centimeters. Okay. अब what you'll have to see is कि यहाँ पे you're taking out for the hemisphere, right? तो सिर्फ इसका outer portion लेंगे, inner portion नहीं लेंगे. And for this again, you'll only be taking out the outer portion, and this again you'll only be taking out the outer portion. Okay. Just look at the formula again. Total surface area of the cone, you don't take pi r square, you take pi r l. Okay. Because pi r square क्यों नहीं लेंगे? Because we're not taking out the circle. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. ये हो गई बात. And then you have the sphere. अब sphere के अंदर surface area hemisphere की we will take hollow 2 pi r square. 3 pi r square क्यों नहीं ले रहे? Because we're not adding the circle beneath वाला, which is pi r square. So 2 pi r square लेंगे. So उसके बाद यहाँ पे for the cylinder we will take pi r square, pi r h only, 2 pi r h, right, which is this. Okay, so when we look at this question again, we will be adding 2 pi r h, right, 2 pi r square, and for the cone we'll be adding what? Pi r l. Now l कैसे निकालेंगे? L will be taken out by this slant height. Slant height कैसे निकालोगे? Again Pythagoras theorem. You have 13 as the height and you have 6 as the base. So solve the question on your own and let me know how far you get.
Sir, I got the answer.
How much?
It's 910.8.
910.8, which if you round up gives you, if you round it up to a whole number, it says whole number within the question.
911.
911. Okay, try question number 18. Try giving me an explanation as to what will you do. First read the question and then tell me how will you go about it. Did you understand the question?
Yes, sir, it's similar to the previous one.
So, what is your plan of action? What will you do?
Divide these into three and take out their volume and surface area.
Say, go for it. There is something different compared to the last question. Can you see the size of the sphere?
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
sir.
not hollow. It's the solid one.
It's a solid one. However, it's not completely solid. It is solid, but it will have a circle. It will have an outer circle, not an inner circle. So we'll have to subtract that from the larger outer circle. Okay?
Could you repeat that again?
Yes, yes. So you have a solid hemisphere. Yes, right? Like in
Yeah.
last question, what happened was, okay, it was the same size as the cylinder. However, now what you have is an outer circle. Okay, understood? So you'll
Yes.
have to measure this instead as well. Okay, so you'll take out the circle of the hemisphere as well, and one circle of the cylinder, and then you subtract them when you're taking out surface area. Okay, for volume you can just directly add the three.
Okay.
How far have you gotten? Remember, it says three significant figures for the volume and surface area.
Excuse me, sir. Will the cone and the cylinder have the same radius?
Sorry. The cone and the cylinder will have the same radius, like in this hemisphere will have a different radius.
Sir, can you repeat? I don't understand.
The cone and the cylinder will have the same radius, लेकिन hemisphere का different होगा.
Okay, sir. Sir, I got the volume.
How much?
It's 165.5.
Okay, so अगर हम three significant figures कर दें तो कितना हो जाएगा? Three significant figures करने क्या उसकी value आ जाएगी?
165.
So volume हो गया surface area. Did you get the answer for the surface area? For this, you'll have pi r h. This will be pi r l, right? And this will be 2 pi r squared. And then for the circle, you'll have 3 pi r squared, in fact. And then you'll subtract the smaller circle from the inside, which will be pi r squared. Let me just make this r squared. And then you'll subtract this smaller circle from the inside, minus pi r squared. Yeah, make sense? Yes or no? How are you?
Yes.
Are you done?
So I cannot do this.
Sorry?
Sir, I've done but didn't get the correct answer.
What is the answer that you got?
Sir, it's 140.
140. नहीं. ओके, सो पाई आर एल के लिए दिस इज स्लांट हाइट, राइट? तो सबसे पहली चीज जो आपने करनी, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज दिस लेंथ. हाउ मच इज दिस लेंथ, कैन यू टेल मी? द रेडियस इज 2 and the height is
It's
5.
6.4.
Radius is 2, height is 5. So you get, one second, it says 5.4.
Sir, I got 5.3.
Okay, 5.4 ले लो इसको. It's 5.38 now. Okay, so you got 5.4. So अब pi r l क्या होगा? Area of cone is, okay, issues with this?
Nope.
Are we good? Okay.
Yes.
And then we have area of cylinder, which is pi r h. Yeah. So you have 43.98. Yeah. So it's basically 44. Yep. So yeah. Then you have the hemisphere. Hemisphere के लिए we have area of hemisphere, which is 3 pi r squared minus pi r squared, which gives you 3 into 3 squared and pi into 2 squared.
Sir, how did we got 2 square?
Because we are taking this inner circle, ना, ये छोटा वाला circle. So इसका radius तो 2 होगा. Okay. This is why I wrote small r here and large r here. Okay. What is happening is you have two circles and then you have another smaller circle which is inside. So we are subtracting this circle from the larger circle. Okay. Which gives you 72.3. So when you add these, you get 150.2. Sorry, this is supposed to be 2 pi RH. So this is 88, which gives you 194. Okay, centimeter square. Did you understand? क्या हुआ? Okay. So as homework, try question number 10. It's just one coin and a sphere. Okay. It's asking to calculate the volume. I want you to do the surface area as well. Okay. Let's end class here. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Clappers.